Don't worry.
This what we are doing right
Are you
now.
watching? Wait, are you watching something on the screen?
Yes.
Yes. Yes. Yes. Yeah.
Excuse me. Kindly mute yourself, please. Everyone, please mute. Now I am giving you recap what we have learned yesterday. First of all, I would like to tell you we have discussed line segment and race. And I told you each and every one. First of all, I am repeating line. When we are talking about line, there is no ending point as well as there is no beginning point. Okay?
Okay.
Now I'm moving towards the line segment. Okay? In line
Okay.
segment, we know in line segment we know about the ending as well as starting point.
Okay. Okay.
When we are talking about the ray, in ray we know starting point but we don't know the ending point. Got my point? Afterwards, excuse me, please kindly mute yourself.
May someone not mute themselves.
Please mute yourself. Now I am repeating angle. What is angle first of all? When two rays and two line segments join together at a common endpoint is called an angle. Okay? The common endpoint is called vertex and rays are called arms. Okay? After that we had discussed kinds of angle on yesterday. Number one, I am repeating acute angle. Acute angle is less than 90 degrees.
मिस मुझे आपकी सही से आवाज नहीं आ रही। आदि
First of all, I
आदि
want to mute. Kindly. Don't unmute yourself, please.
ओए आ गया आदि आदि इसमें का
Excuse me, please. Listen to me very carefully. Now I am repeating kinds of angle. Number one is acute angle, which is less than 90 degree. Next is obtuse angle, which is more than 90 degree but less than 180 degree. Afterwards, I am telling you about the right angle. Right angle is equal to 90 degree. But when we talking about the straight angle, it is equal. Now today we are going to start about what is protractor. Okay, this is a tool which is transparent as well as plastic or maybe sometimes in glass. Okay, this tool is used for measuring angle. On the screen you all are watching that I am showing D. Okay, on the picture you have seen black and blue numbers.
Miss, I can only see the scale.
No, it's not scale, it's D. Okay, on the picture you have seen there are two color, black and blue.
Blue.
Beta, in blue color, when we are making angle at point A, that means it is a line segment. This is A and this is B. Okay, when we are making angle
Yes, who
at
is
point,
making this line?
I am making. When we are making angle at point A, so we have to use lower numbers. That means blue numbers. Got it? If I'm talking to you, if I'm asking to you, kindly make angle of 20°. So what number you have seen? Blue or black?
Blue.
Blue. Because we are making angle at point A. So we have to use blue number. But when I am asking to you to make angle at point B, so what number you will use? Black or blue?
Blue.
No.
Black.
When we are making angles at point B, we have to use black numbers. We have to use black number. Okay? Okay?
Okay.
So if Miss Ikra is asking to you make angle at point B, so what color of number you can use? Blue or black? Black, very good.
Black.
When we are talking about when we are talking about point A, what number we have to use? Upper or lower?
Lower.
Lower. Very nice. So right now you have seen. Right now you have seen protractor, which is used to measure angles.
Miss, I can't hear you.
Why, beta? Okay, kindly. Now look over the picture. Do you have your worksheets of maths? Everyone have? Raise the hand. I'm watching. Raise the hand.
What, miss?
Maths worksheets.
Miss,
Do you have?
mine is upstairs.
Oh, so you have to take it now.
Can I bring it?
Not right now because we have very short time. Only 15 minutes remain. Kindly look over the page number.
Okay.
You have worksheets now. Open the page number 12. Have you all opened? Okay. With the help of this page, you can easily review the kinds of angle.
This one.
Page number 12, beta. Open page number 12.
Miss, can you wait a minute? I will.
Okay, come fast.
Miss, we have to write our name.
No need right now.
Teacher, I don't have it.
Why you don't have beta? You didn't get from school?
Teacher, I get it, but I forgot to take it.
Okay. Doesn't matter. Look on this. With the help of this page, you can revise all types of angle. Sabika, can you read acute angle? What is written beneath acute angle?
Miss, we have to write something.
No. We use this page for review the angles.
Okay. Miss, I can't listen you properly.
Okay, I will try to solve your problem, beta. Now look over here, page number 13. Open page number 13.
Open it, miss.
Have you opened? Have you opened, beta? Okay, Naya.
Yes, yes.
Naya, can you tell me? Can you identify the angle number 1 in Aya?
Yes.
Okay, tell me, what is it?
Yes, which page? Number 16 and number 13. About what?
No, you have to open page number 13. Just open page number 13.
Miss, can I tell you? Miss,
Beta,
can I tell you?
I told to Inaya, first of all, Inaya, kindly tell me. Inaya,
Yes, miss.
can you tell me angle number 1? What is it? Can you identify it?
No, miss, I can't.
Why?
Miss,
look
tomorrow
Listen,
when
Inaya.
are you explaining this? My net issue is not working, so I can't listen you and can't see this picture.
Okay, Naya, listen. Maybe आपको थोड़ा बहुत याद हो. I told you when you see look like L. So what type of angle it is? I told you.
Left angle.
Right angle.
Very nice. Who said? Who said?
Sabika.
Oh, very nice, Sabika. Very good. Mariam Fatma, do you want to say something about angle number 2?
Acute angle.
Who said?
Acute angle. Sabika.
But Sabika, I am asking from Mariam Fatma. So you have to wait, beta.
Sorry.
Mariam Fatma,
Sorry.
are you hearing me? Mariam Fatma. Mariam Fatma, are you hearing me?
Yes, I can hear
Okay, give me answer number 3. Identify the angle, whether it is right acute or obtuse.
Miss, you.
Very good. Who said?
Miss, it's obtuse. I said.
Very nice, Mariam. You said correctly. Okay.
Miss,
Now
my
I am
worksheet.
asking.
Miss, we have to write something.
No. Right now, I am asking from Aras Siddiqui. Sorry, Aras Shadman.
Miss.
Can you tell me angle number 4?
Miss,
Yes.
do we need to write down the names?
Acute angle.
Beta, afterwards. Right now, I am
Okay.
taking review that whether you are able to recognize angle or not. Aras, can
Okay.
you tell me angle number 4? Yes.
Acute angle. I didn't get the worksheets.
No, it's not acute angle. It's obtuse angle. Who didn't get worksheets yet?
Acute angle. Acute angle.
Okay. We are moving towards the angle number 5. Can anyone tell me what is angle number 5?
Right angle. Right angle. Right angle.
Very good. Now we are moving towards the 6th. But I am, listen. I am telling the name of the student who will give me answer, okay?
Okay.
Ali Raza Zadi. Sayyid Ali Raza Zadi, can you tell me the answer? Sayyid Ali Raza Zadi, can you tell me the answer?
Which one, teacher?
6th one.
Sixth.
Yes, beta. Can you tell me?
Acute angle.
Very nice, very nice, very nice. Okay. Other three is your homework. We have discussed mostly almost 6 questions. 3 questions remain. So you can do it by yourself and you have to submit on Tuesday. Okay. Okay.
Miss, this is homework. Miss,
Yeah, this is your homework.
Homework.
What is homework?
Page number 13 is your homework. You can do it on University.
Miss, मैंने किया है.
But without my permission, you can. Okay. Now listen to me.
How do I
Listen
do
to
it
me,
on
all
English?
the students.
Mommy.
First of all, listen to me very carefully. Page number 13 is your homework and you have to submit on Tuesday. Who understood this? Take your heads.
Me.
Okay, very nice. Now, through Zoom chat room, if you have any problem regarding angle, write the message over here. We have 7 minutes. I will resolve your problem.
Okay.
Write on Zoom chat room, okay?
I don't have any issue.
Very nice.
I don't have any issue.
But miss, you give our homework. We got in software.
Beta on University.
Okay.
Okay.
Problem.
Is